Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage in the Canva app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Canva app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects and designs. From this menu we have to tap on the plus icon. And now we are presented with a list of different kinds of formats that we can create in. From this list we have to select the photo collage. And then the app is going to create the file, and we are going to be presented with some templates and styles that we can select from to apply to our design. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.